Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And yes guys, for today's video, we are now here at Island World. Yes guys, we're now here at Island World. Say hi, Faye. Faye. Say hi, Alita. Hi. Say hi. Say hi, ate. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, BisayangVloggerTV. Ha? Shout out sa Island World. Thank you, te. Yeah.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
So yes guys, mga onami guys. We're going to eat na right now. Ato na nisaw ang YouTube.
Bakit nasa nyo si Andrew?
Yan guys, so we're now here at Island World.
The Lost Agent.
And that's the pool. May suroy sa pulo niya guys. Kaya siya nga lagi is very unexpected because ang plano is mga ligo may og dagat. And then, ang tarang dagat sa Panglao is closed. That's why we have to go to Island World. See you later mga kasama guys. Bye! Hi guys, I'm so sorry sa kung naong guys. Naligo na jud me. Pak, naligo na sila. And Alita. Alita.
Hello. TM.
Hi people.
Duha nga maglingkod.
Paye.
Kailan ko na? Kailan ko na? Kuyog man yan.
Mia. Picturean mo na hobi. There. So yes guys, later guys, ako mga i-tour sa Tibok Island World then. So, maligo na mi guys. See you later.
One hour later.
So right now guys, padung mi sa first pool. Actually, second pool ni siya guys. Kaya ang Island World is composed of two pools. First kay dito. Second would be dire. Say hi to my vlog, te. Hi. Thank you. So many lang mga rooms guys. Kani. And sila diha. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog! Joey!
And yes guys, so padumi sa first pool and we're now here at Sorry guys. So we're now going to the MCR Malilit! Sorry. Hi ate, say hi to my vlog. So, yes guys.
Hi, sir, kada.
Yan.
Mom, ito sorry, mom.
So, we're now here at the first pool. This is the first pool guys, actually. So, yan. Muna siyang first pool guys. And so nice. Muna lang mga villas. More villas. Kani kay murag family no. And actually guys, karon fully booked sila. And
while you're almost near now, you release it while you can go further.
di ko to ka English.
So take a deep breath. Take heart.
Puwi na kasi English.
Gapoy na ko tayo tubok gabi. Yes guys, this is the overall view. that? Huh? Huh? So I'll be showing you a quick montage of the view sa Island World, okay? Bye!
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Yes, guys, we're now here in the pool. I'm mermaid. Charing. So yes, guys, we're now here in the pool. And ham siya? Mada ang phone? Mutay Chris ko? Tikoy?
I was. When you were upstairs, I was. Yeah.
Gusto ko mag-dog phone, guys. Galing kay mahadlo ko ka ba sinog mahog. But let me just go and try.
Lalo.
And yes, guys, right now we're now living. Sagdi lang. So, nanghipos na may guys because we are now going home. Bye! Till next time! So yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like and subscribe. And share this video for more updates. Bye for now! Thank you so much, Island World, for the great experience. So, maglakaw rami, guys. Timia. Aray. So, maglakaw rami, guys, going to the highway. Kaya maghuwat mi og sakyanan padung sa Tagbilaran. That would be